Today we will discuss the important MCQ on Indian Penal Code 1860 from section 96 to 106, that is private defense. So let's begin. First question is, which one of the following set of sections of IPC provide for the right of private defense? A. Sections 107 to 120. B. Sections 121 to 133. C. Sections 76 to 105. D. Sections 96 to 106. The right answer is answer D, that is sections 96 to 106, which deal with the right of private defense of body and of property both. It is contained in chapter 4 of the IPC. The next question is, section 96 of IPC 1860 says that nothing is an offence which is done A. in good faith, B. in the exercises of the right of private defense, C. without criminal intention, D. none of the above. The correct answer is answer B, that is in the exercises of the right of private defense. It says that nothing is an offence which is done in the exercise of the right of private defense is contained in section 96 of the IPC. This question was asked in the Uttarakhand preliminary examination in 2013 and also in Karnataka preliminary examination in 2018. The next question is, the right to private defense is based on natural instinct of A. self-preservation, B. self-respect, C. self-sufficiency, D. self-reliance. So the correct answer is answer A, that is self-preservation. The right to private defense of body and property is incorporated in section 96 to 106 of IPC, where the right is based on the principle of self-preservation, which states that everyone has a right to defend his own body and property, and also another's body and property, and the harm used should not be excessive. This question was asked in the Haryana judiciary examination in 2011. The next question is, right to private defense extend to A. defense of body only, B. defense of property only, C. defense of both body and property, D. none of the above. So the right answer is, I hope आप लोगों को इसका आंसर पता चल गया होगा क्योंकि मैंने पहले एक्सप्लेनेशन में आप लोगों को बताया है. So the right answer is answer C, that is defense of body and property both. The next question is, the right of private defense cannot be raised in A. riot, B. criminal misappropriation, C. breach of trust, D. theft. The correct answer is answer B, that is criminal misappropriation. Second paragraph of section 97 of IPC provide that the property, whether movable or immovable, of himself or of any other person against any which is an offence falling under the definition of theft, robbery, mischief or criminal trespass, or which is an attempt to commit theft, robbery, mischief or criminal trespass. This question was asked in the Uttarakhand CJ examination in 2019. The next question is, 6th, Z under the influence of madness attempts to kill A. A has a right of private defense up to the extent of causing A. death, B. grievous hurt, C. hurt, D. assault. So the correct answer is death, that is option A. It was asked in the APO CBI examination in 2015. This question is based on the illustration A of the section 98 of IPC. The next question is, the right to private defense is A. unrestricted, B. subject to restriction contained in section 99 of IPC, C. subject to restrictions contained in chapter 4 of IPC, D. subject to restrictions contained in CRPC. This question was again in the APO CBI examination in 2015 and also in MP in 2016. So the correct answer is answer B, that is subject to restrictions contained section 99 of IPC. The next question is, Right of private defense is available. A. Where there is time to have recourse to the protection of public authorities. B. Where there is no time to have recourse to the protection of public authorities. C. Under all circumstances. D. None of the above. This question was asked in the Jharkhand preliminary examination 2015 and also in Haryana 2015. The correct answer is answer B, that is where there is no time to recourse to the protection of public authorities. The next question is, in which set of sections of IPC even death can be caused in exercise of right to private defense of person and property? A. Section 100 and 103. B. Section 100 and 101. C. Section 102 and 105. D. Section 100 and 102. The correct answer is answer A, that is section 100 and 103. That is, section 100 provides about when the right of private defense of the body extend to causing death, and section 103 deals with the when the right of private defense of property extend to causing death. This question was asked in the Himachal Pradesh judicial examination in 2011 and also in Haryana in 2015. And this was also asked in the MP judicial examination in 2014. The next question is, in which case it was held that the accused need not to prove the existence of the right of private defense beyond reasonable doubt. It is enough for him to show, as in a civil case, that the preponderance of probabilities is in favour of his plea. A. James Martin versus State of Kerala. B. Kashmiri Lal and others versus State of Punjab. C. Jagtar Singh versus State of Punjab. D. Lakshman Sahu versus State of Orissa. This question was asked in the UP PCSJ in 2015 and also in Rajasthan APU in 2015. The correct answer is James Martin versus State of Kerala, that is option number A. The next question is, in which case the right of private defense of body does not extend to causing of death? A. An assault with intention of wrongfully retaining a person. B. An assault with the intention of committing rape. C. An assault with the intention of kidnapping. D. An assault with the intention of gratifying natural lust. This question was asked in the UP PCSJ in 2003 and also in Haryana 2013. The correct answer is option number A, that is an assault with intention of wrongfully retaining a person. The next and the last question of this series is, the right granted under section 100 of IPC to the extent of causing death can be exercised against an assailant who may reasonably cause the apprehension that death will otherwise be the consequence of such assault. The above rule has been explained by the Supreme Court of India in which of the following cases? A. Sunil Bhatta versus Delhi Administration. B. Brij Kishore versus State of UP. C. Devanarayan versus State of UP. D. Ramaswamy versus State of Madras. The correct answer is option number C, that is Devanarayan versus State of UP. This question was asked in the APO CBI examination in 2015. And this question and these lines are taken from the Devanarayan versus State of UP case. So thank you friends for listening to this, and I hope आप लोग साथ ही साथ इसको solve करते जा रहे होंगे. And my next question and the set of questions will come in the next series. So till then, keep watching and take care.